Okay, I think we're good now. Hey, hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? My name is Jeff, and welcome back to my channel. And I just wanted to give you all a heads up that over the course of the next week or so, I'll be putting out a series of videos, specifically discussing ways to compose your pages in Trio. In other words, different ways of creating the HTML pages that you want Trio to generate for you. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do so now and click that little bell so that when I start posting these videos up, you'll get notifications. And yeah, just wanted to give you a heads up. So um, in the meantime, you can actually go to the website. The documentation link for Trio will be below the video, and very important. If you don't already have Trio and Node installed, go please read the Getting Started page, and you must read the key concepts page, because that all the stuff that you're going to learn in that key concepts page, and it's not a lot, shouldn't take you more than 10, 15, 20 minutes at the most, okay, to go through it, get a good general idea about what's discussed in that page. And once you do that, it will make you're following these videos and you're mastering Trio, specifically page composition, which is the most important thing to learn in Trio, okay? It will make it that much easier for you, okay? And I want you to feel confident so that when we start these videos, you already understand the vocabulary of Trio, because like any other product that you use on a computer, it has its own vocabulary. So you will learn that by going to the key concepts page. So again, please subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell so that you get notified when I post these videos up. And we'll be seeing each other shortly. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.